Yeah, I got a pink drink. Try mine.
What is yours again?
Ray of Sunshine.
Whoa.
I like mine better.
Really like mine better.
Wait, we don't know what we're doing. I'm gonna pull over.
Yeah.
I just said something. We got our Dutch. Okay.
We should do ASMR. We're like.
This is Megan's phone, guys. I'm not fake.
Wait, is there the Saturday market today?
Let's look. Cause that would be so fun.
Yeah, that would be fun.
I want to like take pics.
Me too. I want to like kind of get food.
Oh, that's what our whole day is gonna be about.
Okay.
It's a cheat day.
Okay.
This drink is so pretty. Can we just like take a moment? Ray of Sunshine, hashtag sponsored.
These are
Electric Berry, hashtag sponsored.
Oh.
We're going to the Portland Saturday market. I feel like a ray of sunshine. Oh, this is really dumb. Wait, let's have a dramatic moment. Wait, let's drink our Dutch. Okay guys, I have too much caffeine, let's go. I got my turbo engine on. We're revving up the city. Let's turn it to the max volume. Just really quick, I had to change the audio so that I wouldn't get copyrighted, sorry. Great, it feels like summer. Guys, this next summer is gonna be our last summer before we leave for college.
But then we're gonna come back together. So it's okay.
No, I'm going to big business.
Like for the fans.
Brain freeze. All I know how to do is this.
I wonder how he sings. Like he's like, it's like auto-tune. Yeah, auto-tune. That was a good one.
Guys, we just parked and I actually backed in, so I'm really good at driving. Look how cute Dutch is. Love Dutch. Hashtag ad. Hi. Okay. Right Nobody's waving back to me. Hi.
Okay, I literally.
Nobody's waving back at me. Hi.
Sounds good.
Megan looks cute. Okay. Bougie. Ooh, okay. Such a good backdrop. Okay, I'll insert photos. Okay, good. We probably got a thumbnail in there.
You know when you're like, oh my gosh, look at how cute that dog is, and it turns around and it's just like an old small dog. And
yeah. Like its tail looks really cute and like its legs, and then it turns around and you're like,
it turns around and you're like, oh.
It's kind of like this. No. But yeah, you know, it's like na. Cute. That was a puppy.
That was.
You made all of these? Oh my gosh, you're talented. I'm so happy. Guys, literally we just had the awkwardest time. So we went to this building, which is right by the pink building.
Literally just a parking garage, and we got in trouble for being in a parking garage.
Yeah, and we got in trouble for taking these photos. I'll insert them here.
They were really good though.
So no regrets. Yeah, she's the best hype man / photographer ever.
Oh shoot, our parking garage.
Should we just run? Update, my camera ran out of storage. I'm sorry.
We're all hungry.
I might yell. I'm so hangry. Can you give me some food? Okay. Okay, we just found this really cute spot.
Found it, no one else knows it.
We have a great view, and we went to St. Honoré, and Megan and I both got the same sandwich. It's a tuna sandwich.
So
yeah, we're both really excited for the bread. And then I got this pastry, but it looks really good. Hey guys, literally, look at how yummy this looks. Okay, I'm gonna try it. The chocolate? Oh. We may or may not be getting another Dutch, and we may or may not.
Don't tell them though, because we changed outfits and we switched cars.
We may or may not have gotten a few donuts. That wasn't funny. Thank you. Caitlin, this is a shout out to you. You know that we've been here 2 times, but you didn't rat us out. We love you.
We love you.
I kind of want her to be in here. She's dancing with whipped cream. Go you, Caitlin. That's some good content. Teaching my sister how to drive 101. That's a popular video idea. Yeah.
There's one. Thank you. Of course.
Yay, thank you. You too.
Have a great day.
You too.
Oh wow, this is really good.
Really? Okay, let's see if we like
I
it.
bet they're all like just super caffeinated. That's why they're so excited all the time. Wait, that makes so much sense. Conspiracy theory.
Dutch conspiracy theory 101.
You're going back? Okay.
Are you guys going to Dutch? Should I do it? Are you guys going to Dutch?
Yeah.
That's good.
That video was so cringy. I'm like dying inside because that was so cringy.
I just wanted to do it for the vine. I'm crying. I didn't know what to say after they said yeah. They were like 12-year-old girls. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so mean to you.
I'll think I'm cute. I'll turn it off.
What? Oh, there's a cop.
Where?
Behind you.
What?
Yeah, its lights are literally on.
Where?
I'm kidding.
Jamie.
I know, that's not very funny.
Jamie,
Guys, go to Dutch. Wait, I'm gonna do that.
Ice.
Hi.
What?
Why were they screaming?
I don't know, that was kind of fun. We should do it again. See, complete stop, like, there.
Oh, I couldn't drink my tea.
Like, no one does that.
Guys, there's free Dutch.
Who are you talking to?
Well, they don't know that there's no people.
Tell them.
There's free Dutch. No, they were family, so I was nice to them. Wait, I want to be a dog. Oh, bark! I'm not gonna add that.
Jamie,
You go straight.
You have to add that. It's like not people here. Ew! What are you doing? It's cold outside.
Wait, sees people. Ew!
You're gross too.
Me?
Oh, that biker. I have to close my lid.
Oh gosh. Why'd you just do that?
I did it for the vine.
Oh my god! Okay, I'm getting out. There's free Dutch!
Emily.
Guys, we just ate all of our sugar. I don't know about you, Megan, but I feel horrible. How do you feel?
The sugar is making a new village inside of me.
Do you want me to add that? Yeah. Okay.
Wait, is this going in the vlog?
Yeah.
Wait, can I fix my hair?
I'm leaving my hair like this.
Well, you're just look at the difference.
Yeah, mine looks worse.
Okay, fine.
Look inside my glasses. This is my flip phone.
Wait, look at I look like I have a mullet.
Wait, you have a mullet. This is the big reveal. Are you ready?
Yeah. Every time.
Guys, we might go to Dutch again. I don't really like Dutch that much though.
Me either.
We got, what did we get? What are we gonna do now? We just took a nap on the dock and someone called the cops and said that we were homeless. This is what happens after teens eat multiple amounts of sugar? Question mark?
That could be the cover, the clickbait.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more. I will link all of the previous days below. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Are you gonna start a YouTube channel?
I'll let you know.
Yeah. You're really good at it. Help!
No, stop, you can't do that.
Okay, we're gonna do the outro now, but Megan wants to do it.
Okay, 3,
Okay,
2, 1.
You got it.
This video because it's gonna be really good.
Oh, looks like I kidnapped you. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Subscribe because it really supports my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, my ring got stuck.
No, cut it off. Wait, I think I'm gonna puke. Do you know a fun fact?
Oh?
As a child, I thought that you were supposed to wear sunglasses like this.
Why is it not fun at all?
Like when people put them behind their ears, like I thought they did this.
Wait, I'm gonna fall on
I'm
the
like,
lake.
plus puss, let's go. Hey,
Wait, that was kind of
is
cool.
he fishing?
For watching.
Okay.